Hey, good day everyone. Welcome to my channel, Mathematics of Today's Generation. Okay, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At paki-hit na rin sa notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos na i-upload ko. Okay, by the way, if you are a math contestant, okay, a math coach, or a mathematics enthusiast, okay, this tutorial is for you. So without further ado, okay, let's solve this problem. Okay. So by the way, this problem is taken from the previous Philippine Mathematical Olympiad. Okay, and we're going to solve this in a very easy and systematic manner. So problem number 7. Suppose that we have a system of linear equations. So w plus 4x plus 9y plus 16z equals 6. Then 4w plus 9x plus 16y plus 25z equals 7. And 9w plus 16x plus 25y plus 36z equals 12. Then we want to find a w plus x plus y plus z. Okay. In solving system of linear equations, we have various ways on how to solve this. But for this system of linear equations, I'll just solve this by some sort of algebraic manipulation. Okay? My way of solving is not actually finding the actual value of the variables involved w, x, y, and z, but to find directly the sum, okay, of the variables, okay, involved in our given system of linear equations. So let's begin. So for our solution, okay, using equation 2. So I'll just manipulate equation 2, okay, so that I can substitute something, or some equation. Okay. So we now have 4w plus 9x plus 16y plus 25z equals 7. So we're going to split each of these terms so that we can have the left-hand side expression of equation number 1. So we now have 4w, since we have w here, so the remaining would be 3w plus 4x, so the remaining would be 5x plus 9y, so the remaining would be 7y plus 16z, so the remaining would be 9z. Then plus, so we're going to have here w plus 4x plus 9y plus 16z equals 7. Okay, so after this, okay, we're going to substitute the value of this expression, which is equal to 6. So this follows that we have 3w plus 5x plus 7y plus 9z plus, this is 6, equals 7. Then, by addition property of equality, so we're going to place this value to the right side of the equation. So we now have 3w plus 5x plus 7y plus 9z equals 7 minus 6. So and that is equal to 1. So therefore, the value of this expression would be equal to 1. Now, let's have another manipulation. So we're going to use equation number 3, and we're going to manipulate that so that we can substitute this expression. So now we have then using equation number 3, using equation number 3, so we have 9w plus 16x plus 25y plus 36z equals 12. Okay, then we're going to manipulate this so that we can arrive this expression. So 9w, so it means the remaining would be 6w plus 5x, so it means the remaining would be 11x plus, so 25y, so the remaining would be 18y plus 9z, so the remaining would be 27z equals 12. Then we're going to directly subtract. So by addition property of equality, so we now have 3w plus 5x plus 7y plus 9z. And substituting that value, so we have 6w plus 11x plus 18y plus 27z equals 12 minus, okay, the value of that is equal to 1. And 12 minus 1 equals 11. So therefore, the value of this is equal to 11. Okay, next, okay, we're going to manipulate this equation, this expression, okay, so that we can have another expression, okay. So, and we're going to substitute, okay, the value of this, okay, which is equal to 7, to that variable or to the expression that we can derive. So, using this one, we now have, so since we have 4w here, so it means we have 2w plus, so we have 9x, so it means we have 2x plus, we have 16y, so it means we have 2y plus 27z, so we have 25z here, so it means we have 2z. Then this is equal to 11 minus, okay, this expression, so we now have 4w plus 9x plus 16y plus 25z. Okay, then, by substitution, so we have 11 minus, so the value of this is equal to 7. So therefore, we have 7 here. Then we have 2w plus 2x plus 2y plus 2z is equal to 11 minus 7. So we have 4. Then, by factoring, so we now have 2 times w plus x plus y plus z is equal to 4. Then, dividing both sides of the equation by 2. So, 2 divided by 2, that's equal to 1. So, therefore, the remaining would be w plus x plus y plus z is equal to 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And I think this is a good place to start.